Okay, so we have here another problem from our classwork I posted in Google Classroom. Classwork number 2, still about calculating heat. So the second problem is saying calculate the energy required to heat 22.5 grams of water at 0 degrees Celsius and change it to steam at 100 degrees Celsius. So here you see that the original temperature of the water is 0. So here it's not ice, it says water already. So that means in this problem all the ice are melted and it's now 0 degrees Celsius. So the starting temperature is 0 and we want it to change to 100. But the problem is to change it to steam. We want to change it to steam. So there are 2 steps we have to follow in this problem. We have to heat up the water and bring the temperature from being 0 to 100 using our Q equals MC delta T. And then once it's now 100, we know by 100 it will start to vaporize, right? Boiling point of water is 100. So the second step would be changing that 22.5 grams of water to steam using Q equals MHV. All right, making use of the heat of vaporization constant. So the first equation is MC delta T, where we're given the mass of water, 22.5 grams, times the C, or sometimes it's a symbol S. The specific heat of water is 1 cal per gram degree Celsius, times it by the 100. Where did we get the 100? The change in temperature, which is final 100 minus 0 initial, so that would still give us a 100 degrees Celsius change in temperature. So if we do the math, we will multiply all of the values. It would give us Q of 2,250 calories. So that's just the amount of heat needed to just bring the temperature from 0 to 100 degrees Celsius. After that, if we continue to heat or apply heat, that heat now will be used to vaporize, starting to vaporize the water. So we would use our Q equals MHV. That's our second step. So HV again is a constant. You should know that, we have discussed it before the closure. So that's HV, which is heat of vaporization, is equal to 540 calories per gram, which means that it would need 540 calories to vaporize 1 gram of water. So you just simply multiply the 2 values, it would give you 12,150 calories. So now, because the question is calculate the energy required, then we have to make sure to add up the 2 calories we calculated. 2,250 plus 12,150, a total of 14,400 calories. So that is the amount of heat needed to heat 22.5 grams of water at 0 degrees Celsius and change it to steam. So our answer again is 14,400 calories.